Do you want to brighten or lighten your skin or just your armpits? Come with me, let me show you how to do that.
Hi guys, so in today's video I'll be showing us how to get rid of dark armpits. So don't forget to watch this video to the end, and don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and also don't forget to subscribe if you've not, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know anytime we post a new video. Thank you.
So to do this, you need petroleum jelly, you need baking soda, and you need oil. So I'll be starting with petroleum jelly. So petroleum jelly will actually help you hydrate the skin. It will lock in moisture in the skin, and it will leave the skin looking fresh and bright. You can check out everything petroleum jelly does to the skin later. So you're going to keep mixing the petroleum jelly, keep mixing it until it is creamy. So you just keep stirring like this until it is creamy. So after that, you're going to add your baking soda. So for the petroleum jelly, you can use 1 teaspoon, and for the baking soda also, you can use 1 teaspoon. So you have to mix the petroleum jelly well first, and make sure to mix it well. Like you can see, as you can see, the color in the bowl is different from the color in the spoon now, or from the color in the petroleum jelly container. So you have to mix it till it is this creamy. So this mixture I'm showing you right now, you can use it to brighten or lighten any part of your skin. So if you have any dark areas in your body apart from your armpits, it might be maybe your thighs, your knuckles, your knees, your elbow, you can actually apply this there, and it will work better with time. So you have to do it and leave it for like 3 minutes before washing it off. Like I said, 3 minutes before actually washing it off. So it will be better you apply this in the bedroom actually. So yeah, let's go back to the mixture. So after that, you add your baking soda. That's after the Vaseline mixture, you add your baking soda, 1 teaspoon also, and then you mix it well with the petroleum jelly. Make sure to mix it and mix it very well. So baking soda helps get rid of hyperpigmentation under the skin, and it brightens the skin, it lightens the skin. So mix it very well with petroleum jelly. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Let us know if you've tried this before, or let us know if you're going to give this a try. Let us know your honest feedback after everything. So now I'll be adding oil. For the oil, you can add any oil. I'm using my carrot oil. Yeah, so we learned how to make carrot oil in one of our videos. So yes, that is what I'll be using. But if you don't have carrot oil, you can use any oil of your choice. And then if you have what's it called, vitamin E oil also, you can add that to it. So I don't have vitamin E oil, so I'll be making use of just what I have, which is carrot oil. But if you have any oil at all, even if it is olive oil, you can use olive oil, you can use almond oil, you can use any oil at all. So make sure to apply this mixture. When you're done mixing everything, you can see the paste now. Make sure to apply it in the bedroom. So you just take a large quantity and you apply to the part of your body you want to brighten. You rub like this, you rub like this for like 3 minutes, and you allow it rest before washing it off. Make sure to rub very well. By doing that, you're actually removing the dead skin from that area. Then the mixture we have, that's the petroleum jelly, the oil, and all of that, will help brighten that part of the area. So make sure to massage very well, and make sure to leave for 3 minutes before washing it off. Let us know what you think about this video in the comment section. Thank you.
So try this and come back to tell us if it actually worked for you or not. Thanks for staying with us on today's video. We hope to see you on all of our videos. Bye. Have an amazing day.